Hello, I'm John Wright at MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2019 Boston Whaler 230 Outrage. Give you a little spec information on the boat first. It's a full 23 feet overall, an 8-foot 6-inch beam, and the weight with motor, fuel, water, gear, etc. is around 5,340 pounds. We'll start here on the transom. As you'll see, this boat has the new Mercury V8 naturally aspirated 300 horsepower engine. All new product from Mercury, groundbreaking technology. We're very excited about it. You'll also see we have a swim ladder on the platform, as well as rod holders, a 16-gallon live well, gasket on the lid. This boat has the ski tow option, which is not up right now. As you step into the cockpit, you've got a nice rear bench seat for when you've got the family out and entertaining. When you get into fishing mode, tuck the seat away. Got a big open cockpit, lots of room to fish. Fish boxes both port and starboard. Tow rails, of course, on each side. Raw water washdown. As we step up toward the helm area, see this boat has the slide out cooler. It also has the new seat option from Whaler. You can sit here and face backwards. You can also put it back up in its normal position for the backrest. You have a knockdown table here, which you can use to prep bait, you can use to fix drinks. Versatile, great use of space here. Very popular feature on the 230 Outrage is this seat at the helm. As we step up to the helm, you'll see we ordered this boat pretty well loaded out. It's got the Raymarine Axiom vessel view display, smart box, fusion stereo, windlass controls, active trim for Mercury, Raymarine VHF, Lenco electric trim tabs, digital throttle and shift, and also has the legendary Mercury power steering system. Unparalleled performance in power steering. As we move forward a little further, over on the starboard side you have access to your console, which has a pump out head. You also have great seating up here in front of the console with what can be used as a fish box or a cooler, storage in the floor, bow seating with fill-in bow cushion. Here we also have a bow table that mounts up here. Very popular for when you're out anchoring for the day, picnicking with the family. As you move all the way forward, you'll see these mounts here are actually for the bow shade. Real popular feature for us right now. The poles come up, the top comes up, and you can shade this whole area. And all the way forward, as you see, this boat is equipped with a windlass stainless steel anchor. With the light blue hull and the light blue underside on the T-top, it's a very sharp look. Great setup. Again, my name is John Wright at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. We'd love to show you this boat or any in inventory. Give us a call, 910-256-8100.